jalan nyona kwi. La wuju go chatan ba. La wuju mako chatan. La wuju mako chatan. La wuju mako chatan.
You know.
That is a song from Brother 4x4. You can find him on YouTube and Facebook as well. Big 4x4. That is a song says that we need to be proud of our fathers. All the fathers across the world, we have to be proud of them because they are doing great job. You know, they're doing their best to make the family happy and the family to stay together. So that song was for all the men in 2024. We want to see your manhood. In 2024, we want to see all the fathers to kind of show up that they are fathers. They want to kind of celebrate. So this is for all the men. And also I want to take this time to say thank you for all the men in my life. I love you guys so dear much. I got my father, I got my brother, I got my Sammy. I got who else? I got all those that I care for, and I truly believe in them. I have got friends that I can actually name them. I got 4x4, I got coin, I don't even know how to call them, but I got so many friends that I can call, and they're always there for me even when I'm sad. So I just want to say thank you for each one of you that is a father. I love you so much, and I can't honor you enough, you know. I love you guys. So today I'm just trying to get all the singers, all the inbox, all the songs that I have in my WhatsApp and play it out here, because it's a blessing to play those songs. About love. It said our love was divinely connected and prepared by God. So for those who keep saying that I need to explain my songs, I need to let people know, yeah, I'm trying my best. This song is about love. It says that God has designed this love for me and you. Let the enemy, all the those friends, those jealousy friends talk, but this time no separation, because this love is designed by God. It's from Lady Zulu. It said Marana. And say, this time I know how to cook. When a woman said, I know how to cook, you know, when your man kind of ran away or went and eat some food somewhere, but this time around, the woman is saying, we know how to cook. 2024, women know how to cook. So try us. This time, you cannot steal the man that we have, because we know how to cook. Matoke and banana, kalo. This time we can cook kalo. Hey, kalo. to cook. I think you are done. My dance can even already tell you that this time we know how to cook. We are not joking. This time around, women are not joking. 2024, we are going to cook. Hey, are we not tired? People keep breaking our hearts. People keep doing this. This time around, men, you're in trouble. You're in trouble because we are coming full swing 2024. Hey, we are going to be doing the ministry. We are going to be doing the ministry inside our home. For those who are married, please serve God. Serve God this year. Serve God. Hey, I don't even know how to tell you, but serve God this year. Don't play around. Serve God. This year, hey.
Share. Papa, how are you? Happy New Year. Dear Sam, how are you? Happy New Year. Happy to see you here. That is my father. That is the first man who gifted this platform. I wish and I pray that one day I'll meet you.
By the way, guys, Sam Udwe is the first man to gift in this platform. It was the first gift that I received, and I was shocked when he said that I want to send you this and this and this. I was like, okay, because he wanted to give me an outfit. I do have the outfit. You guys have seen me, that Karamoja outfit. He's the one who gave it to me. And he said, give me the contact to someone I can deliver these things. And I said, if you can deliver it there, they will get it to me. And he went and met my best friend. I have a friend in Kampala that I know her for a long time, and gave her the gift, plus other things that I was not expecting. You blessed me, and I promise you, as you touch my life, you will never lack. Even when others don't have job, you will never lack. Your children shall never lack, because you gave out of your heart. I didn't ask for it. You give me gift. In this platform, as God keep blessing this platform and we keep growing, Sam Udwe, you will never lack. If the God that has given me life is a God, mark my word.
Hi, Papa. Moses, how are you? Regina, how are you? Long time. Happy New Year. Are we blessed? Are we blessed?
More
One more song or this is it? Can I see some comment? Is this one more song or this is the last song of the day? Was that the last song of the day? Or one last song? Can somebody say something because I'm going? One last song or that was it? For me, any of that is okay for me. Either that was the last song or one more. Yes, one more. Grace, thank you. I need 2 people to write that and then up we go. We are not wasting time. 2024, no time to waste. La 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 la. Balo Jawape 2024. Moral du Etiel. 2024. Oh. We are in 2024, ko? Moral du Rio. Mia Rio. Moral 20. Moral Barrio. Moral Barrio. Kipiera Rio. We are when. God. Never to read gomo. But I knew one number very never to read. This is terrible. Okay. One more. Okay, one more. I can see someone write it twice. Mom, who told you to write it 2 times? We're supposed to write it up once. Scovia, you have also wrote it 2 times. No, this is cheating. No cheating. 2024, no cheating. Kwalo kui pay 2024 pay be kwalo kui. Kapera che be bulu kui manyen. Full stop. Simple. One more. Haha. At least that one I'm happy. Okay, now we are talking. Let's get one more.
Rastaman culture will never die. Mr. Duku must meet the regional Austrian writers. Producer Maze.
Let me see you tapping. I want to see some light.
From Jackie, okay. Papa, can I know the singer, please? You're saying Jackie, but I need to know Jackie is a Luo song, is what? The title of the song or something like that, please. Comment allez-vous, mon frère? Bonsoir, ça va bien? Bienvenue sur mon réseau de social. Vous pensez, je parlais un petit peu, pas beaucoup. Good evening. Thank you for my live stream. I can see a few people that may not understand my language. The song says just enjoy life because life is a gift. In this platform, we only have positive energy. We love, we share, and we support one another in any way that we can. Blessings to your house. Thank you, and we thank God that you're part of 2024. The story has just begun. We pray that God will bless us. The man of my life, I can see you. I bless God that, He brought us together. But yeah, let's just enjoy. Let's enjoy. Can you request? Je t'aime beaucoup moi aussi, merci. Ça me fait plaisir de lire ton message. C'est un grand plaisir. Ça va bien, bonne année. Que Dieu te protège. Beaucoup d'amour.
We no care, we murder them. We no care, we kill them. We no care, we murder them. Party time is a party time. Party time is a party time. Kasote. Happy time is a happy time. Kasote. Party time is a party time. Kasote. Happy time is a happy time. Kasote.
Don't forget to check out my YouTube channel, Blessed One Nyapaco. Make sure you subscribe so that we can enjoy this 2024. Hopefully, by the grace of God, we'll grow together and learn new things as well. Blessing, let's enjoy. I'm
just trying to calm down a little bit. Then I'll put one last lakubu kubu. That will be the whole of it.
Party time is a party time. That's what you. Party time is a happy time. Party time.
In our minutes, let's play one of his songs. Thank you so much for being part of this group. We love you so much. Please don't forget to support him. Brother Rapcoin is one of the great singers that I love. I know you guys know that in my platform I'm always playing his song because I love when he sings. As if it is a love song, you feel it in your soul. You feel romantic. You feel I don't even know how to explain, but when he sing about God, about love, about parents, about everybody, you just feel the heat in your bone. Don't forget to follow him on YouTube, on Facebook, and maybe TikTok as well. That is Rapcoin. And this song I'm going to be playing is saying that La Bon In mean without God, things are not possible. Thank you so much for following my platform. Don't forget to check my YouTube channel. This song coming from Brother Rapcoin, I can see his comment here. And I think it's the one that I know. Love you guys. Let's continue.
Raise up with Jesus. Produce a love addiction. The boy in the winner, all about the boy in the winner. The boy in the winner, well, I take the boy in the winner. I told my
dear. Guys, I was playing from my WhatsApp, and then I'm running out of time, so we need to do it quick. This is Nyingi requested. Let's go.
Rap boy, Latino, Chope, addiction, Chope nyera, Chope woman, Loye, Kone Banyankole, Kone Butiko, Kone Maria, Herova, Mentira, mero unya mama komini gikome, Lendama, mero nonia mama komini gikome. Mentira, mero unya mama komini gikome. Lendama, mero nonia mama komini gikome. Tunayomgane na mama, tunayomgane na mama. Iniro maneni, ibaro kuya kwija togona. Iniro maneni ni, ibaro kuya tenga togona. Iniro maneni, ibaro kuya kwiji bedina. Iniro maneni ni, ibaro kuya tenga bedina. Inero bota mama, inero luta mama, inero bunyuna mama, inero luta mama. Iyo mochuna extra, ikwetaro yodi, imotaro parafe, ikwetaro korokwe, weonara miri betwena. Chope woman, Chope nyera, Chope woman, Chope nyera, Dabara matino, Dabara matamo, Dabara matino. Help demon, Herova. Mentira, mero unya mama komini gikome. Lendama, mero nonia mama komini gikome. Mentira, mero unya mama komini gikome. Lendama, mero nonia mama komini gikome. Tunayomgane na mama, tunayomgane na mama.
Which one is the next song? Agola by who? Mostly.
Mama, ya, iko jaro mami ya, limbo
for the love. I know many of you want to send me stars, but you'll be sending me very soon. Don't worry.
Unity among us. Angola, USA, Angola, Canada, Angola, Australia, Angola, South Sudan. Many thanks to all the Angola Kapok leaders putting their hands together, doing developing projects in Angola Kapok area. Let's unite for the benefit of our country, our community, and our new generation.
Ubende naka naka uya naka. Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning, according to your time. How are you today? That was a dancing for about 40 minutes. And you guys know I sweat, I stop sweating, I restart. Yeah, but I think that is it for tonight. As I need to be leaving the house in the next 30 minutes, I need to be out of this house. But yeah, I think I've played all the requested song today. Let me drink a cup of water and then we'll see how ways forward. But otherwise, how are you? I can see new faces today. I can see new people today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you understand. Hope you're enjoying. This is coming from my house to your house and from my heart to your heart. Excuse me. Thank you. Excellent. Voila. So now, the one thing that I need to do, I need to tidy up my kitchen. Because what I do normally after I finish to eat my lunch, I rest. After resting, I take some time for myself, which I do dancing. Then after that, I deal with the dishwasher. So now I need to deal with the dishwasher while I'm cooling my body down, because I need to cool my body. Then I will go and shower. That is the next step of the evening or of the day. So now I need to do my dishwasher, load it, reload it, and then I will be going to take a shower, and then I will have to start my journey, ready for the week. But yeah, feel free to turn in every day now and then, because we do have some great music during the week and dancing as well. And please don't forget to check out my YouTube channel, which I'm trying to build. So if you can help me be part of it, it will be a blessing. So we can celebrate together the growth as time is taking us. 2024, we need to learn by fire, by force. We need to learn. We are going back to school. Each one of us, we are going back to learn. Through media, through what? I don't know. We are going to do our best, okay? So that is the key for this year. And also being a helping hands to many that we can. So that is it for me. It's been great dancing. That was wonderful. Thank you so much. Great in watching from Nigeria. We thank God. And Daddy, I didn't play your song because when I write Jackie, it's bringing a lot of things, and I don't think if that was what we wanted. If you find the name of the singer and the song, you can drop it to me in my inbox, and the next time I come up, I will play it. Yeah, that is it for me today. I gotta go so that I can rest. God bless you.